Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today we're going to be looking around this beautiful Volkswagen Transporter. It's had a full conversion. Registration is Mike Delta 16, Oscar November Victor. It's finished in Starlight Blue Metallic. It's absolutely beautiful colour. So it's a T30, 140 horsepower TDI, Blue Motion. So we can see from the rear there, we've got parking sensors. We also have a 12 volt hookup down there as well. Just shut the door a second so you can see down the sides of the panel. There's no scratches or dents whatsoever. Paintwork's got a beautiful reflection. As you can see, the pop roof is up at the moment. Features some beautiful Sportline alloy wheels, completely unmarked, 18 inches. Just show you the other one on the rear there. So I'll just open inside the camper. Currently set up in full camping mode, so we can see the bed is set up now for camping. I'll show you the other features in a second when we've put the bed away. You can see here it's got juice fan design embossed into the seats, which are double stitched and quilted. Captain seats to the passenger and driver's side as well. So you can see there across the front, we've got day running light LEDs inset into the bumper, front fog lights and front splitter finished in gloss black. Again, if we look down the side, you can see there's no scratches or dents whatsoever again. Again, alloy wheel completely unmarked all the way around. Paintwork's absolutely superb. We're just setting the camper up now into day mode or for dining, so you can see both options. As I said, it's a TDI 140 horsepower on a T30. Remio roof. Again, looking down the side there, sun's coming out a bit now, so we'll see the colour come alive there in the sun, which hopefully you can see there through the lens. The metallic is absolutely stunning. Got a nice rear spoiler there as well as the tinted glass. So I do believe we're ready now to show you the inside. And there we have it, into dining or lounge area. Again, the leather continues through to the rear, nice double quilted. Nice table there as well, which is removable. We also have a Waco fridge, which to be honest looks barely used at all. We also have a lovely oven there as well, grill. Again, very clean, nice. As you can see here, when we sit down, we've got a gas stove, a twin hob burner, sink area as well. Obviously we have a leisure battery, LED lighting as well throughout, which we can see up here. We also have some nice sockets as well that hide away lovely, which we can just push down out of the way. So we'll put the tops down now. See our beautiful view there. You can imagine yourself just camping. Also have a Webasto night heater as well. Again, really nice option to have. See the view from this side. We'll just jump up out the way. We also have various cupboards, all very nicely trimmed. So we just pull this board down and we're ready for camping at the top. Quite easily pushes away. Just like so. As I said, we've got plenty of storage here to the rear. And there you see your management system there as well. Another cupboard to the rear. In the front of the van, you'll see we have hands-free for telephone calls. We have air conditioning. We also have a radio there with your phone set up. USB sockets, 6-speed manual. Drives absolutely superb. As I said, we've got cruise as well. Heated mirrors, electric windows, remote locking. This van really does have it all. So if you're interested, would like to purchase, please feel free to give us a call. 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. We are Rayland Car Sales. We are an AA dealer promise dealer as well. So it will come with 12 months AA roadside recovery. As I said, please give us a call. 01460 312 923. Thanks for watching.